Hi, Assalamu alaikum friends. How is everybody doing? It's been a long time. Did you miss me? Yeah, I had a very rough year last year. I had a triple bypass surgery. After the surgery, I went through very rough time. I have a lot of complications. So Alhamdulillah, I'm doing better. Now I can start cooking. So this is my first recipe. Actually, I'm putting after my surgery. So this is gonna be, we are making mirlitons. This is Louisiana mirlitons. We did talk about the Louisiana mirlitons and the varieties and everything about Chayote squash and chocho. In India we call chocho, and South America we call Chayote squash. So it's the same thing but it's a different variety. So we are going to be doing New Orleans specialty recipe. We usually do this recipe for the Thanksgiving and the Christmas time. It's like a side dish. I'm stuffing with the shrimp. A lot of people do it with the shrimp, ham, bacons and everything. I'm not doing all those things. I'm just putting in the shrimps in there. So we're gonna do today stuffed shrimp mirlitons. Okay, let's go see all the ingredients, what we needed to do this. Okay, these are the mirlitons I have. I bought it from the store. And we needed some breadcrumbs. I have some breadcrumbs. So I took 1 cup of breadcrumbs. And then I have, usually my cheese don't go in there, but my son loves cheese, so I'm going to stuff a little bit with the cheese. And I have a shrimps. I cleaned it. I put a little bit of salt and pepper. And there's some green onion tops. With the, I cut it with the, even the white from the back. And this is a celery. I chopped it really fine, and this is bell pepper. I chopped that, and some onion, 1 onion, and I have the Tony Savory seasoning. This is a Louisiana seasoning. So, and also there's breadcrumbs is right here, and I have some oil to cook. And over here, I have some parsley, dry parsley. If you have the fresh one, you can put the fresh one, but I'm putting the dry one. And then I have black pepper and a little bit of red pepper and some salt, because this one Tony Savory seasoning has already salt and pepper, so I don't want to add too much, so I'm just adding a little bit. Okay, first thing first, we are gonna go ahead and peel this one. Usually you don't have to peel them because the skin is soft. This kind of variety, it has a little bit of thorns, if you can see that. So this is a little bit harder, so I'm gonna remove this thing like that. Just peel it like how you peel potatoes. You don't have to peel completely, but just a little bit. This thorns can go away from there. And then you're gonna boil them. Okay, now I peel them all. Now we're gonna cut it where you see this thing from here in the middle. Make it half. Oh, I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's not that very hard. It's soft. Slippery. Yeah. Okay, yes, oops, don't run away. Okay, we're gonna cut all this. Run away, my they are on the big, they're very big. Okay, now you see, in here there's a little small seed like a mango, so we're gonna remove this seed. Okay, that's it. We're gonna remove all the seeds, and you're gonna boil them. The water is boiling on the stove, so I'm gonna put it in there to boil for half an hour to 40 minutes until they get a little tender. You do not want to be mushy, but you want them to be tender. If you want to plant this, you just leave it like this fruit for a couple of weeks, every month, the plants start coming from here. This is the seed over here. So I have a couple of vines growing in my yard. I have some flowers too, but I did not have any fruit this year, and I think I'm going to be having very bad weather. I think 32 degrees is going temperature on Monday, so I think the vine will die, but I have to go put a lot of mulch and stuff to protect the roots, so next year they'll come back. Okay, I'm done with this. So my water is boiling over here, so I'm going to put all these mirlitons in here. Boil them. Okay, all in there. We're gonna boil them for half an hour to 45 minutes. You can see. Okay, see the boiling. So once it's boiled, then we're gonna stuff them. Okay, while our mirlitons are boiling, we're gonna go ahead and prepare for the dressing. So I have the stove on. I'm gonna start frying the onions. I'm gonna first cut the shrimp because they're too big. So I'm gonna cut like in each shrimp, I'm cutting like 3 pieces. Or this small one I would cut 2 pieces. And like this is big, so. Okay, we will start making our stuffing. Do that. I'll put some oil, about 2 spoons of oil, not too much oil. I'm using avocado oil, that's why I cook with avocado oil or maybe olive oil. I don't use any other oils. That's it. That's plenty for me. So some onions. Looks like it's a plenty of onions. There's a lot of onions. I'm gonna make it. Put it like a half of them. Can also add bell pepper. Okay, now we're gonna add some celery. Half of the celery. Finely chopped celery. If you have this mixture left, you can even stuff bell pepper. That's gonna taste good too. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. A little bit of butter. Add a little bit of garlic, fresh garlic, chopped garlic. I'm going to put all this garlic in there. Also, we're going to add some of this bottom part of onions. We're going to put this one on top. Green onions. And we will add this Tony savory seasoning. We also add parsley, dry parsley. I don't have the fresh one. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of red pepper, because I already had the Tony savory. I don't want to be adding too much in there. Also the salt, so I don't want to put too much salt in there. Now I can add shrimp. Bismillah. Smells good, yummy. Okay guys, our mirlitons are soft and ready. I'm gonna turn the stove off. We can poke this and see they're soft. Yep, perfectly done. So we're gonna take them out. Put it for cooling down. They have to be a little bit cooler so I can handle them. I can scoop up the pulp from inside. Bismillah. Very hot, so we are gonna wait until this cools down a little bit so I can handle them. Otherwise it's gonna be a little bit difficult for me to handle them, so I'm gonna make it cool down for a little while. Okay guys, now it's cold, so I can handle with my hand. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this pulp out from here. Be careful, slowly do it, do not tear up the make sure it's not going to be tear up the skin outside, so don't come out. Just scoop up a little bit inside, and I'm going to put in a strainer over here. I have a strainer, so I'm going to put it in here so that there's any water that comes out. Okay, just like that. We're going to do all of this. Bismillah. We took all the pulp out from there. Now we have all the pulp over here. We're going to take the potato smasher. We're going to smash this. Bismillah. Now we are going to drain all this water from here and just take the pulp and put it with the shrimp and cook them with the breadcrumbs. Okay, we are trying to remove all the water from here, squeezing it. We probably need this water later when we are cooking it. Most of the water is out, so we are going to put this in the shrimp. So we put all the pulp in there. So we'll cook like this with the shrimp. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and add this water in there. Whatever I removed it. Probably needed some water in there. It's not a whole lot, but I'll just put it the whole thing. Okay guys, now we're gonna add breadcrumbs in there, 1 cup. Usually cheese don't go in there, but I'm putting a little bit of cheese. If you want, you can put it. Otherwise, if you don't want, you don't have to put it, because my son loves cheese. So I'm gonna put a little bit, not for a lot of it. This inside. That's it. Not for a lot of it. So. Okay, guys. My mirlitons are stuffed. I have a little bit of stuffing left, so I stuffed the bell pepper, half of the bell pepper. Then I put a little bit of breadcrumbs on top of it, so it's make it a little more crispier. And my oven is preheated, 350 degrees. I'm going to be baking them for half an hour or until it forms the crust on the top, like a red colored crust on top of it. Then we are going to remove it. Okay, let's put it in the oven. Okay, I put it in the oven for 350 degrees. We'll come back up after half an hour and check it. Hot. It's beautiful. Let's do it. Okay, friends, our mirlitons are ready. Louisiana, if you go to New Orleans, you will find this recipe in the menu in Cajun restaurants. It's so yummy, and please try this. Your family might like it, your friends might like the recipe. Please share with them. Thank you. Bye. See you next video.